Hi, Naptime friends. It's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today is going to be my appreciation video for 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much, you guys. I am so appreciative to have 1,000 subscribers. It's just like I'm mind blown. So I'm going to be showing you the different pieces I have available for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And at the end of the video, I will tell you how to enter the giveaway. So this is the first piece. It's a 12 by 12 acrylic pour coated in resin. It's beautiful and sparkly. I have a demo on this piece. I will link it down below in the description. And this is one of my first resin art pieces that I made. It was back when I was first starting out in resin, and you can see it has the drips on the edge of the canvas. I don't know if you guys remember in my previous video I was talking about how when I first started out in resin I used to have drips on the edge of my pieces. But it has some really nice details in there. It's got a lot of depth. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas, just resin art on canvas. It's got gold, copper, ruby red, that's more magenta, and then black and white. And I'm sorry for the lighting, you guys. It's been really cloudy here, so I wasn't able to film this like during the day, so it's late now, and I had to use my flash to show you kind of more like true colors. And here's the third available option for the giveaway. This one's really cool. It's got some nice cells. I actually have 3 similar pieces in this color scheme available for my giveaway. And what's funny is I used the same colors and the same technique, and they all turned out totally different. That's fluidart for you, right? So I love this little cell section right here. It's really cool. And that's actually the Stone Coat Countertops white base tint and the Stone Coat Countertops black base tint. I just laid my colors out on my canvas and did a super tilt, and they celled up like that. It's got some nice gold highlights happening too. This one has a flaw in the canvas right there I was trying to show you. It's not noticeable though. It's still really pretty. Oh, and I have my little helper coming next to me. You can see my daughter. She wanted to help me. And this is the third one. This one's really pretty and wispy. It's got the same colors, the magenta, black, white, gold, and copper. It's got a nice little like feathering on the side there too. Oh, yeah, she's going to try to help me show it for the camera. So this one's number 4, and I wanted to turn it another direction too so you could see what it looked like in another direction. You can hang them whichever way you want. And then number 5 is an ocean pour I did, and I do have a demo on my channel of this one. This one was a lot of fun to make. It's got a ton of sparkle and really awesome cells and lacing from the Res Angel White epoxy paste. And I will link the creation demo of this one down below as well. And I'll put an iCard too if you want to just click the iCard. That'll take you straight to the video. So this one's number 5. And this one is resin on a vinyl record, and it'll be ready to hang on the wall nice and easy. And this one, I love this one. This one has a lot of vibrant colors. It's got sassy red and onyx mica powder. What else does it have? It has Suncatcher by Res, some Mayron Gold, and this one was an experiment if oil-based paint would work for cells and resin. So I do also have a demo on this one as well. I actually made 2 at the same time, and I'll link that down below, and I'll also put an iCard if you want to check it out. But this one has a lot of cells and lacing. It's got some really fun details. So this one's number 6. And this one's also resin on a vinyl record. The rest of these are all going to be resin on a vinyl record. I was trying to show you the shimmer from that sun catcher. It's really pretty. And that one will be ready to hang too. And this one's number 7. This one's just black, white, and gold. Really nice color combination. It's got some really fun cells and lacing going on. And this one has a ton of depth. It's really, really cool. And I have a demo on this one and another one. I made 2 at the same time. I was trying to recreate my resin art bar stool video. If you haven't seen that one, definitely check it out. That piece is one of my favorite pieces I've ever made, and I was trying to recreate it on some vinyl records. And this one has a ton of little fine details. It's just hard to pick it up on camera. And this one is a new piece. I don't have a demo up on this one yet, but this one has a lot of fun colors and it looks 3D. Like it really looks 3D, but it's totally flat on the surface. It's got some fun cells in there. I used blushing pink, a bronze mica powder, Stone Coat Countertops white base tint, Mayron gold, and some of that Larez sun catcher, which I love so much. It's so beautiful. Now the fun part, the giveaway information. I'm going to keep this giveaway super simple and easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I will be able to check that. I do know how to do that. Comment down below, I want to be entered, and which number you want to win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. And this will go up on Wednesday, the 24th. I'm going to keep my giveaway open until Sunday, the 28th at midnight. And then next week, I will put everybody's name into a big bowl or something, and I will draw 3 winners for second and third place. And then I'll have you guys email me, but there will be more information on that when I do the actual giveaway video. So yeah, pretty easy, right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you all so much for 1,000 subscribers. I am so happy and excited. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys on Friday for another video. Bye!